Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this out of the frame video edit on CapCut PC. So you are first going to select your video and you're going to select mask. Actually, just right click and copy, right click paste first and move it to the side. Select mask and select the star shape here, and you're just going to want to adjust it a little bit if you want to, like maybe like this much is good, I think. And then on this one, I am going to see the sizing 458 437. Okay, so actually I can just right click copy, right click paste after the mask instead. And then I'm going to go to basic and just basically go to cutout and select auto cutout, then go to mask again and kind of move the like placement of the star to like the face, so it looks like it's popping out of the frame. You can use another like mask though, like for instance this split one maybe. I think is better a little bit, but as you can see there will be like this like hand out of the frame, so maybe use the rectangle one and put it like this so it's only the face that goes out of the frame, like so. Let's just again move this a little bit, and then for instance you want to add in like a color behind that, like another frame, maybe like this orange one, sorry, this purple one. am I okay? I'm just going to move this up a little bit, and then here I'm going to go to basic and then go to mask and then create this like other kind of frame around it. Actually, maybe use another color because that's not very visible. Maybe like this picture, I guess, could work as the like other frame on top, and you can kind of feather it out and you'll have this like really cool, I don't know, effect, I guess, on CapCut PC. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!